Okay, this is a Sunday morning project. This is a huge birch tree that there's a lot of branches that have, there goes one. There's a lot of branches that have died due to, I'm not sure exactly what it is. I think Ken put some kind of, I'm not sure what it was, some sort of weed killer, which ended up affecting this tree. So anyhow, there's Ken in the tree, as you can see.
A wise gardener knows that if the leaves wilt on a tree, you don't water the leaves, you water the root. And automatically, the leaves and all the tree will blossom.
Yikes. This is one of the trees that shades the house from the harsh Arizona sun. Anyhow, it's pretty high. I don't know exactly how high, but a lot of the big branches were affected and they're dead, and he's on a mission to rid this tree of its deadness. And I'm a little trepidatious myself, actually, watching him carefully trim this tree. I'd say the tree in all is 40 to 50 feet high, and he's in it. So anyhow, more soon. You can hear the sawzall taking over. But this tree will probably be pretty barren by the time he's finished with it. Wish him luck. Ciao.